Yiddish means to me now something very different than it meant before. I mean, now it means Yiddish is a whole world rather than just a language, and that's one of the main things I've learned from being here. My mom likes to tell everybody what I'm doing always, so she starts telling people that, okay, Sophia's studying Yiddish, and all of a sudden, all these old friends and relatives are calling me on the phone wanting to speak Yiddish with me. And I'm realizing that all these people, and Yiddish was their first language. We have a friend who grew up in like Michigan, Maryland, but Yiddish is his first language because his parents came here. And I'm seeing these people light up about Yiddish, and I never thought of it as anything more than a means of making it from Poland to America and being able to communicate with people. And I didn't realize that, how it's the heartstrings attached.